Hello, everyone. I know you guys have been excited about this KB Homes. I've had quite a few people ask me about the KB Homes that's coming up in Chalet Suzanne Road. And one thing that everyone's excited about is their townhomes. They're building these townhomes. As of now, this is the only model I see to three bed, 2.5 bath, 1 car garage, 2 story at 1,500 square feet. But let's see how we could do a 3D tour of this one, so you can kind of have an idea of what it's like. So here, as you walk into the house, let's see, kind of move things around. You can see that's the entryway. Here's your half bath or your powder room, however you like to call it. And then you have your other bathrooms upstairs. So here's it's like an open floor plan, so it's a decent sized kitchen. And here is the rest of your living room, and then you got the outside, of course. Now let's head upstairs so you can kind of get a better idea. Sorry, these are kind of fun to play with. So the master suite should be on the left side. And here you go. This would be your master, which would be towards the back side of your property. And you have your large walk-in closet. Now mind you, this is 1,400 square feet. It is 2 story, but it's kind of giving you more of it is a condensed style. If this is too small, we highly recommend going for the single family homes. But this, for it being a townhome, it is a little bit more affordable. And here's the other bathroom, the shower. I really like how they have the shower set up. Here's the other 1 bedroom. They're all good size, and then the closets are big enough to put a dresser inside there to keep the room, with a lot of space. And here is your other bedroom. And this is, of course, the front of the house. If you could kind of see it a little bit. So that's an idea. Just wanted to show you the floor plan for the homes. They don't have prices yet, as they probably won't have prices up until January. But as soon as they do come out, trust me, you will be the first one to know. I will definitely let you know. And to see the floor plans for the other homes, if the 1,400 square feet is too big, or they definitely have a smaller one, a smaller home. And then if it's too small, they do have bigger homes going up to, let's see, you got a 2,500 square feet home. And let's see if there's a 3D tour we could take. So the first floor, you walk in. This would be, you could say, your former living room, your dining room, and then here will be your great living room. And then you see how it has that open floor plan. Now, I love these L-shaped stairs. A lot of stairs you will see just go straight up. These L-shaped stairs are really nice. And here it goes into your second living room. You can have it as an office. Here's your master bedrooms. And here, of course, are your other bedrooms here. But you have a humongous walk-in closet. It's about the same size as the bathroom, which is pretty nice. But definitely gives you an idea of what to expect. Let's see, let's go back. These are the types, models that I have. So, also what's nice about these neighborhoods is there's no CDD in this neighborhood. As many neighborhoods nearby, they all have CDDs. This neighborhood does not have a CDD. You are going to have a pool, and you're going to have a cabana, and you're going to have a playground for the kids. So it definitely has lots of amenities, and the HOA is going to be fairly low, and plus no CDDs, so it's definitely going to be more affordable than some of the other neighborhoods to go, that are being built now. So here's a list of the schools. You could take a look at them that are nearby. I never say what school is zoned for the area, because as as the county and city keeps growing, schools change. So it's best to call the schools to find out exactly which one is will be set for that specific year. But I just want to show you, and then this is the phase one of the neighborhood. As of now, this is a phase one, as you would see. And then here's the entryway. Then here's where you'll have the playground, the pool, and everything. Yep. And then let's see. So one good thing about these homes, they are energy efficient. So a lot of people that do come down here, they are concerned about, the energy, or they're concerned about, hurricanes being an issue. Well, one good thing to know is these homes are built to code. They're built at one of the highest quality and energy efficient homes. So that's really good. And these are just checklists that, whenever you get ready to buy a house, this is a new qualification list that they would have you get. Now, I never have people sign up immediately with a builder unless they know for sure. So best thing to do is get pre-qualified ahead of time so you can know. Because if you just go ahead and sign up now with their lender, you don't know what you're qualified for. But if you maybe with a bank, or if you don't have one, I could provide you with a few lenders you could sign up for to see what qualifications you have, what can you afford, and then from there, you could definitely see it. Like, if this neighborhood is going to be in the 300s or 330s, then you would know, okay, look, I qualify for that. If it's in the 280s or 260s or 250s, that's a different thing. But if it shows up to starting at 400 and it's out of your price point, it's just a no bother to not even go into those neighborhoods. So best get pre-approved ahead of time, and then once we figure out the home exact place that we want to go to, we get pre-approved again with their specific lender, and then we use whichever benefits that they have. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My name is Luis Mendez. You can always call me at 407-790-6232. Again, that's 407-790-6232. And I'd love to help you out. Love to, point you, see if you have any questions, point you to the right direction. If you, to see what you're looking for, and help you out in any way possible. Have a blessed day.